Mga kaibigan, mag-like at mag-subscribe na. Tara na! Morning, morning. Yeah. Hold on.
Deck 5.
Yeah, open seating. Mabilis lang yan, ma'am. Ano lang yan?
Sana namin, bibintaan eh. Kaya nawala na. Gusto na.
Try nyo na lang mamaya-maya. Baka may lumabas.
Oh, dito pala eh. Ano rin eh. Ano yung breakfast? Ang menu. Ayun ang menu. Oh, may baon pa oh. May tugo pa. Ano pa pa?
Ano ako? Siyempre cheese.
Ano yun? Magkano yun? Good morning.
After quantum class, it's next Oasis class, and after the Oasis class is the icon class. Yeah, so they went from the icon class, the biggest one.
That's just, she said that was just crazy.
It's like a party ship. Well,
Caribbean.
yeah, most of the time. Especially the Utopia of the Seas, they're doing only 3-4 day cruise runs. It's like a party cruise. They go to Nassau, Bahamas for the 3-day cruise, Nassau, Bahamas, then Coco Cay, then back to Port Canaveral. On the 4-day cruise, 1 sea day, Nassau, Bahamas, Coco Cay, back to Port Canaveral. So that was like everybody drink, party like no tomorrow. Yeah, drink, eat, sleep,
So
drink,
many
eat.
places to go. She said I don't even think she made it to like every place on that whole ship.
Yeah, it's a big ship, yeah.
Oh, it's ginormous.
Normally, some of the guests comes on the ship as their destination. The port is just like extra because the ship is so big that you have a lot of activities that you can do.
And to walk from one end to the other, she said was like, wow. She got her steps in just like one end to the other of the ship.
It is actually, it's a big one.
It's a big one.
So, yeah. Enjoy your breakfast.
Ay, hindi kami mapunta sa may bintahan. Ah, may bintahan rin pala.
Saan?
Tayo. Ayan, ba tayo?
Yan siguro.
But we do also tomato juice.
This way is true.
Okay lang.
O gusto ko dito para wala kami bintana.
Hindi, kahit saan. Oh. Kami mag-breakfast ang aming pinsa. Good morning.
Morning from the sea.
Si ano? Quantum?
Quantum of the
Quantum
sea.
of the Sea.
Maganda kasi
kasi pag dalawa, pwede ka talaga nandito lang. Eh kung maramihan, eh di naman makaka-enjoy lang ng window A yung apat. Tapos the rest na doon, wala rin. Kaya lang pala. Bukas dito ulit tayo.
Ha?
Ay, bukas dito ulit tayo. Eh mamaya pala, remind mo ko wala pa.
Mag-alam tayo.
Hindi mamaya. Mahuli na yun. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yung butter. Ay, John! Wala na yung butter. Isa na lang. Ano?
Wala, hindi silang galing.
Kasi ano na, ang dami na kumain. Thank you.
Thank you.
Kasi for seating tayo gabi.
Meron mo bago na?
Ano naman?
Puro water na yan ah.
Hindi rin ko pa ng ano yun. Sana na kami jam.
Day 2. September 24, Tuesday. Quantum of the Sea. Omega and
Kaibigan, subscribe ka na! Tara na!
Mga kaibigan, mag-like at mag-subscribe na. Tara na!